Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see closed DMs on Discord. So first step you need to do is to open Discord application. Click on that. So once you open Discord application, so let's suppose here I am going to send this person a message like this. And then I need to click on that and click on three dot. And here I need to click on close DMs. And now that person is disappear from here. Here you can see that, and if you want to have that person close DMs open again, you simply need to search for that person name here, click on that, and you can see all the messages and the details here again. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.